This is me suffering for science, or rather for my stomach. I'm burning off the weight I put on in one wild day of eating, trying to answer the question, does fast food make you fat?
It tastes good, so you kind of get greedy for more.
Greediness makes you fat. I worked in fast food for 3 years. Everything in moderation is okay for you.
Because it's so convenient, isn't it? Like, you can't be bothered to cook for yourself.
As a bloke, I need around 2,500 calories a day. If you're female, it's about 2,000.
Morning.
But today, in the interest of science, I'm going to bust my limit, starting with a great British fry-up. Not exactly fast, but it ain't short on calories. Okay, that was over 1,000 calories just for breakfast. Who'd have thought it? That's almost half my day's calorie allowance gone in just one meal. But what exactly is a calorie? Well, it's the measurement of a food's energy. And different foods have very different amounts. The trouble is, it's not always obvious how different, unless you set fire to them. Let's start with some fibre. This is just a leaf off your common iceberg lettuce. Whoa! Big flame. But it doesn't burn for very long. So there's clearly not much energy in there. The lettuce is low in calories. This is my weakness, salt and vinegar crisps. Off it goes. Okay, this one's burning a lot longer, and that shows it's got a lot more energy inside it. A crisp is therefore clearly much higher in calories. And that's mainly down to the F word, fat. Fat is the most energy-giving foodstuff you can eat. And that's why this crisp, which is about a third fat, burnt way longer than the lettuce leaf. And that's the thing with fast food. Weight for weight, it tends to contain much more fat than a far less tempting meal. That, plus breakfast, takes my tally to over 3,000 calories already. And it's only lunchtime. The trouble is, it's so moreish. And that's because we've evolved to crave that mouth-watering mix of fat, salt and sugar, which is why we find fast food so tasty. Talking of which, time for dinner. So this rounds off 3 meals in one day that top 7,000 calories. That's 4,500 more than I actually need. All of this excess energy will be stored as fat, over half a kilo of it, if I don't burn it off. Fast food might make me fat, but exercise will sort me out, won't it? Oh man, that was 2 laps. Lasted just over 2 hours, but I only burnt 1,210 calories. So, fast food doesn't technically make you fat, you know. A calorie is a calorie, but pound for pound, fast food contains more energy, and man, does it take a lot to burn it off.